Hello, how you doing? Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, meatballs, tomato sauce, spaghetti. What a classic. Really easy to make, super delicious. Let's get moving. Okay, let's get started with our meatballs. So I've got some ground beef or minced beef, salt and pepper, breadcrumbs, parmesan, chili, oregano, garlic, onion, and egg. All of the amounts are going to be in the text below for you. Very simply, mixing bowl, all in. Okay, the meat is in. Salt and pepper, breadcrumbs, parmesan cheese, garlic, chili powder and oregano, onion, and the onion, cut it as small as you can, get it nice and small. 1 egg, sexy gloves on, off we go. I'll be back in a couple of minutes. Okay, and that's looking good. Now we're going to shape our balls. Now what you want to do is get them in your hand, give them a little roll around. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go nice and small like that. I don't really want them much bigger than that at all. So let me get on with that. Back in a moment. Okay, so there you go. You can see I've done them that size. I've got that many. Do them whatever size, in fact, shape you want really. Right, let's get over to the cooker. We're going to fry these off. Skillet or frying pan. I've got in there some olive oil. What I'm going to do now, I've got it on a medium heat by the way. We're just going to drop these in and I'm going to cook them for about 4 to 5 minutes. Don't worry if you think that they're not cooked inside because we're going to be cooking them again in the sauce. I'll see you in about 5 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat. They're looking beautiful. I'm going to take them out and set them aside. Now, like I say, don't worry if you think that they're not cooked inside, because we are going to be, like I say, getting them back in the sauce. They're cooking there. We've got some beautiful colour on them. They look wonderful. I'm going to show you some other ingredients, but first, do not throw this oil away. We're going to be using this. Okay, let's move on with our sauce. 1 can of tomatoes crushed, some fresh basil if you have it, fantastic. 1 onion cut, tomato paste or puree, chopped garlic, oregano. Easy stuff. Let's get back to the cooker. So we're back in the pan with the oil from the meatballs. Now that might look like a lot. If you think it is, take some out. For me, I think it's beautiful in there. We're going to drop in now our onion, our garlic, some salt and black pepper. Medium heat. I'm going to cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Keep it moving. Great stuff. Next up, we're going to add in our tomato paste. I'm going to add that dried oregano. And I just want to cook this paste out for about another 3 or 4 minutes. Keep it moving all the time now. Fantastic. Next up, I'm going to go in with that 1 can of tomatoes. I'm going to drop in that fresh basil. I'm going to add a little bit of water. You could be adding chicken stock or red or white wine if you wanted. Okay, we're now going to go, stay on the same heat, like a medium heat, for another 5 to 6 minutes. Stirring often. Beautiful stuff. That's a beautiful sauce we've got there. Let's reintroduce our meatballs. Let's lower the heat, not to a simmer, just above a simmer. For me, I'm going to let that go for about another 4 to 5 minutes. That will ensure that the meatballs are cooked all the way through and give it time to get some of that lovely tomato sauce on there. Wah, wah, wee, wah. Okay, off goes the heat. Now we have a choice, don't we? Do we put the sauce and our meatballs on spaghetti, or do we get our spaghetti in there and give it a mix? I'm going to go on. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to go on top. If you want, you could mix it in. Parmesan cheese. And we're done. That's a beauty. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.
Boop, boop.